Fire streams are crucial to fire attack and extinguishment. Selecting the correct fire stream for the situation can result in quicker extinguishment and more protection for firefighters. In this program on fire streams, we have shown basic sizes and types of fire streams, demonstrations of solid streams as well as fog streams, a description of fire hose nozzles and nozzle maintenance, and a definition of water hammer and an easy way to prevent it. Knowing how different fire streams work and the advantages and disadvantages of each type is important in making good fire attack decisions. We know that water is a valuable fire extinguishing agent. Managing the discharge of water so that you get the most effective use of that water is what good fire stream control is all about.